If you want to learn how to prompt in Claude AI, this video is going to make it super simple. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the basic process for starting a new chat and entering your prompt the right way so you can begin using Claude AI with confidence. Whether you're writing, brainstorming, asking questions, or trying to get help with a task, the way you prompt Claude can make a big difference in the results you get. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. It really helps the channel and it lets me know to keep making step-by-step videos like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to Claude AI. Once the website loads, log into your account. If you already have an account, just sign in with the method you normally use. If you're new, follow the sign-up process first so you can access the chat interface. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken into Claude AI, where you can begin a new conversation. Now that you're inside, the next step is to start a new chat. Look for the option that lets you begin a fresh conversation. This is important because a new chat gives you a clean workspace for your prompt without mixing it with older messages or unrelated topics. Starting fresh also helps keep your responses more focused and easier to follow. After you open the new chat, you'll see the chat box where you can type your request. This is the most important part of prompting Claude AI. In the chat box, type exactly what you want help with. You can ask Claude to explain something, write something, summarize information, brainstorm ideas, or help you with a specific task. The clearer your request is, the better the response usually becomes. For example, instead of typing something vague like "help me with writing," try being more specific. You could say something like, "help me write a professional email to a client," or "explain this topic in simple terms," or "give me 5 ideas for a YouTube title." The more direct and clear you are, the easier it is for Claude to understand what you need. Once your prompt is ready, press enter to send it. Claude AI will then read your request and generate a response based on what you typed. From there, you can keep the conversation going by asking follow-up questions, refining your prompt, or requesting a different style, tone, or format. That's really all you need to do to start prompting in Claude AI. Go to Claude AI, log in, start a new chat, type your request in the chat box, and press enter. Those simple steps are enough to get you started right away. As you keep using Claude, you'll start to notice that better prompts usually give you better results. So if you want more accurate answers, try to be specific, give context, and explain what kind of output you want. That little bit of extra detail can make a huge difference. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials, tips, and beginner-friendly AI guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.